Do you feel that your kitchen is not well furnished? Do you have all the necessary wooden kitchen tools to make your cooking experience enjoyable? There are several wooden kitchen tools and aids you can make as mini woodworking project. Wooden kitchen tools have been an integral part of culinary traditions across the globe for centuries. They are not only functional but also add a touch of warmth and beauty to any kitchen. In this comprehensive video, while you look at our today's collection, we will tell you the various types of wooden kitchen tools, their benefits, care instructions, and the craftsmanship involved in their creation. Wooden kitchen tools are often cherished for their natural beauty. Each piece is unique, with distinctive grain patterns and colors that can enhance the visual appeal of your kitchen. Whether it's a handcrafted wooden spoon or a beautifully turned bowl, these tools can serve as both functional items and decorative pieces. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wooden kitchen tools you can make as mini woodworking projects. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. When properly cared for, wooden kitchen tools can last for many years. Unlike plastic or metal utensils, wood does not easily warp or bend. High-quality hardwoods, such as maple, cherry, or walnut, are particularly durable and resistant to damage. Wood has natural antimicrobial properties, which can help reduce the risk of bacterial growth. This makes wooden utensils a safer option for food preparation, especially when working with raw ingredients. Wooden kitchen tools are often made from sustainable materials. Many manufacturers source wood from responsibly managed forests, making these tools a more environmentally friendly choice compared to plastic alternatives. Types of wooden kitchen tools include wooden spoons, cutting boards, rolling pins, bowls, serving trays and so much more. Wooden spoons are perhaps the most common wooden kitchen tool. They come in various shapes and sizes, making them versatile for stirring, mixing, and serving. Wooden cutting boards are a staple in any kitchen. They provide a sturdy surface for chopping and slicing while being gentle on knife edges. A rolling pin is essential for baking, helping to flatten dough for pastries, cookies, and bread. Wooden rolling pins are favored for their weight and smooth surface. Wooden bowls can be used for mixing ingredients or serving salads and snacks. They are often handcrafted, showcasing the natural beauty of the wood. Wooden utensil holders keep your kitchen organized. They provide easy access to your tools while adding a rustic touch to your countertop. Wooden spatulas are great for flipping, turning, and serving food. Their flat, wide surfaces make them perfect for handling delicate items like pancakes or fish. Benefits of using wooden kitchen tools. 1. Gentle on cookware. Wooden utensils are less likely to scratch or damage non-stick cookware compared to metal tools. This makes them ideal for use with delicate surfaces. 2. Heat resistance. Wood is a poor conductor of heat, which means wooden utensils can be used safely in hot pots and pans without becoming too hot to handle. 3. Comfortable to use. Many people find wooden utensils more comfortable to use than their metal or plastic counterparts. The natural texture and warmth of wood make for a pleasant cooking experience. Care and maintenance for wooden kitchen tools. To ensure your wooden kitchen tools last, proper care is essential. Here are some tips for maintaining your wooden utensils. 1. Cleaning. Hand wash. Always hand wash your wooden tools with warm, soapy water. Avoid submerging them in water or placing them in the dishwasher, as this can cause warping and cracking. Dry immediately. After washing, dry your wooden utensils immediately with a towel to prevent moisture absorption. 2. Oiling. Regularly oil your wooden utensils with food-safe mineral oil or beeswax to maintain their luster and prevent drying out. This should be done every few months, or more frequently if the wood appears dry. 3. Storage. Store wooden utensils in a dry place, away from direct sunlight. A utensil holder or drawer can help prevent them from becoming scratched or damaged. Craftsmanship of wooden kitchen tools. The quality of wooden kitchen tools starts with the selection of wood. Craftsmen often choose hardwoods for their durability and aesthetic qualities. Sourcing from sustainable forests is crucial to ensure environmental responsibility. Many wooden kitchen tools are handcrafted, showcasing the skill and artistry of the maker. Techniques such as carving, turning, and finishing require precision and attention to detail. Each piece tells a story and reflects the craftsmanship involved in its creation. The finishing process involves sanding, oiling, and sometimes applying a food-safe finish to protect the wood. This not only enhances the appearance but also ensures the tool is safe for food preparation. In conclusion, wooden kitchen tools are more than just functional items, they represent a blend of art, tradition, and sustainability. Their beauty, durability, and unique qualities make them a cherished part of any kitchen. By investing in high-quality wooden tools and caring for them properly, you can enjoy their benefits for many years to come. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, consider incorporating wooden tools into your kitchen arsenal. Their timeless appeal and practical advantages will enhance your cooking experience and add a touch of nature to your culinary space. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wooden kitchen tools you can make as mini woodworking projects. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.